task. I'm gonna drain this. Oop, there's some of my koi swimming and goldfish. Okay, drain this. Those are a bunch of feeder minnows, and actually I think 2 of my smallmouth didn't make it through the winter. I see that's a smallmouth. But cleaning all this out, gonna drain it, get some fresh water in there, get all the leaves, get it looking pretty and nice. But we'll check back in. Remember, I've got walleye, perch, and smallmouth in here. So we're gonna check and see how they did over the winter. And if they're big enough, we're gonna bring them to Stizzy's today. Stay tuned. As you can see, we got the pond halfway drained here. I was using the little blue net. You can see the goldfish and the koi swimming around. I've already got 2 walleye in here. Come on over. I think there's 9 in here. We also have smallmouth and perch. But if you look, oh dude, these guys are freaking fast. There's a little walleye. He's been in here, they're healthy. I've been loading minnows. You can see there's still a bunch of minnows in here. So they wouldn't eat because I put smallmouth and perch in here. So I was hoping the walleye wouldn't eat them. So I put a ton of minnows in here. I was hoping they'd be a little bigger, but we're about to take these to Joel's pond. And we're seeing what else is in here. So here goes the first big net scoop. Tell me we got a goldfish. We got 2 goldfish and a bunch of minnows. Okay, not what we're after.
Rack 1.
Oh, there's a walleye. There's a walleye. Yeah, should I leave him in here to get bigger?
He's just a little guy.
Yeah, see, there's another walleye. They're just little. Should I wait and get them bigger or what?
I am not the pond expert here.
Alright, well, let's see how many we can get. There's 3. A bunch of minnows.
More aggressive scoop.
Yeah. Are there any up here that you can see that are just sneakily hiding?
No, I don't see anybody sneakily hiding.
Ooh, there's some big old goldfish and some minnows and Oh, there's my favorite 2 koi. You guys see those guys? Just amazing specimens. Okay, guys. Mainly, I wanted to get this clean. I need to set up the waterfall. I'm gonna get that done. I think I'm making an executive decision. There's still plenty of minnows in here, and I'm not catching anything, so they're probably under that little lip right there. So we're gonna leave the walleye in here to get bigger, and I'm gonna clean this water up, so then we're gonna be able to see them, and we're gonna smoke them. That's all I got for you. It's the next day. As you can see, the pond, you can see the bottom, it's looking dynamite. There's my koi. You can see some minnows cruising. I built a little cubby hole right in there. I mean, it is looking dynamite. All cleaned out, some are ready. The waterfalls are flowing. So you can see it drips off the edge there. Yeah, I built all this last summer, no big deal. But just getting some stuff done with all this time doing my social distancing. But that's the finished product. We got the hammocks out. We're getting ready for this warm weather. Ready to rock.